Let's start with the eyebrows. You can use any round or flat brush for this purpose. Keep the force fade on. Pick the lightest shade and draw it according to the shape of the brows. Then you can build it up using darker shades to make it look thick. Also remember to fill the gaps in between the brows. For stray hairs, you can use dip pen hard or pencil graphite. In order to perfect any kind of art, you need to remember two important things. One is patience, the other is that you have to keep practicing. It has taken me months to come up with this kind of artwork. I have done a lot of research, watched n number of tutorials. But I'm not saying that I'm perfect yet, because there are many things that I still need to learn. But you have to practice. Don't just give up in between. Don't lose hope. Keep practicing. Sorry friends if I bored you. So let's get back to the tutorial now. Here I'm drawing a shape of the eyebrow with pen fade, with force fade on of course. This is just to define the shape of the brows. So you can do this part either at the beginning or just as I'm doing it right now. Let's move on to the eyeliner and eyelashes part. You can use any of the brushes shown in the video. You have to keep in mind that whenever you have to draw something like hair, eyelashes, where you need to get that pointed look, you have to keep force fade on and adjust the length of start and end of the brush so that you get that pointy edge look. I was actually bad at drawing eyelashes, but now I can say to some extent that I've improved after all the practice. One thing I like about IbisPaint is that you can customize the brushes, so keep experimenting with the settings, and yeah, you can customize the brushes according to your liking, which will help you in making your work easier. After you're done with the iris and adding eye reflection, let's move on to the next step, that is the skin. So I am adding a new layer and filling it up with the base skin color. So next, using pen fade, I am picking up the colors from the reference photo and adding it in a new layer so that it gives a realistic look to your picture. Fill all the spaces and gaps in between using the same pen fade brush. Next comes the most important and the most difficult part, that is blending, where many artists struggle, including me. What I've done here is I have smudged the colors first and then used an airbrush to get the smooth transition between two colors. So you have to blend in such a way that the colors merge into each other. The hard edges of the color shouldn't be visible, otherwise it will spoil the whole look of your art. So take your time and blend it well. Next, with an airbrush once again, I am picking all the colors of the eyeshadow and adding it on a separate new layer in order to make it look more prominent. Next, let's quickly complete the sclera part. Also add shadows using airbrush and blend it well. Next comes my most favorite part, that is adding details to the artwork like glitters, highlights and texture. Adding details is very important because it will change the whole look of your artwork. It will bring life to your artwork, but don't overdo it. Here you can use any sputtering or pointillism brushes for adding glitters or highlight to the cheeks. After adding texture to the skin, I am using dip pen bleed to add some more details. This will be on a new layer with blend mode add, and then I'm going to smudge it as you can see in the video. Here using a digital pen, I am doing the eye reflection part once again because I didn't like the earlier one. So I'm just filling it up with a white color, and with an eraser I'm going to make stripes like this and lower the opacity of the layer. So this is how you can create reflections, eye reflections. So that's it. Hope this video was helpful to you all in some way. If you really liked it, please do subscribe to my channel for more tutorial videos, and also like and share it with your other artist friends, and also leave your valuable opinions in the comment section. So thank you for taking your time and watching this tutorial. See you all in the next video. Bye bye.